Hello, and welcome to a short clip about a cosmetic dentist. If you're looking for a cosmetic dentist, you may be wondering what options are available for you to restore your smile. Today's cosmetic dentistry offers many options to repair and treat teeth that are discolored, chipped, or missing. In addition to purely cosmetic treatments, some procedures can help prevent dental problems such as bite or tooth spacing. One option for restoring your smile may be using crowns. Crowns are coverings that go over a tooth to restore it to its original shape and positioning. The procedure for a crown may be a little lengthier, but it is also the longest lasting option when it comes to replacement dental restorations. Teeth whitening could be another option. In-office teeth whitening offers patients the most dramatic whitening available. Veneers are another popular treatment in cosmetic dentistry, and they're a great way to restore your smile. They are thin pieces of porcelain that are custom made and fitted to the front of your tooth. They are usually applied in 2 visits and can change your smile dramatically. For further detail about procedures done by a cosmetic dentist, please feel free to contact our office.